Alright, so we will hop right into this here. This is my in-class programming 1 video submission. I guess a good way to do this would be to hop into the wiki, since that kind of covers everything here. And we'll hop into ICP1. So, yeah, this was just a basic overview of some general GitHub workflows and tools that are often used. First being obviously creating a new repository. So I included some screenshots here. As you can see, I made a repository CSEE5590. This is going to be where I submit all my in-class programming assignments and whatnot. Yeah, here is just a picture of the setup when I was cloning the repo to my local computer. And just for a reference, I know you said to show that we have WebStorm installed. This is another screenshot I took. I do have the IDE installed here. Now we can go up here, as noted in the in-class programming assignment. We needed to create a pull request and a respective issue. So that's what I did. I created an issue that just said to add code, more or less, and this was issue number 1. And this pull request that I then made, I put this commit resolves issue number 1, which, if I'm right, whenever these merged, GitHub should pick up on the keyword resolves and tie it to issue number 1 and thus resolve that issue. And I should also note that this is all on my test branch, where I made the pull request and the issue here. And these can just be merged into master at any time. So, yeah, there wasn't a whole lot to this, obviously. Just creating a basic repo. And I should also show in our source, I have the index.html as noted in the assignment description, and in my documentation I have the screenshots. I won't open these again because they were the same exact screenshots that I showed in the wiki page, so the screenshots are there for my setup. Also noted in the in-class programming assignment was to fork a repo of our choice, and so I went with the free code camp repo. So here you can see you got Jimmy Blundell / free code camp. Obviously we're not really doing anything with that right now, but that was just good practice because that's obviously a super common tool to use, forking repos so that you can work on public projects, open source projects and whatnot. So I think that about does it all, and I will leave it at that. Thank you.